What is the probability of getting a head or a tail when a coin is tossed? Or what is the probability of getting a 6 when a dice is rolled? You guys must be wondering what is the meaning of probability in these sentences. Hi there, I am Anushka, and in the next few minutes I am going to clear the air about it. So stay tuned. Let us imagine that you are playing a game of Ludo with your friend. To decide who goes first, we toss a coin. Now the person getting ahead would start the game. Now once a coin is tossed, there can be two outcomes, either a head or a tail. These results are called outcomes in mathematics. And the act of tossing a coin is called an experiment or a trial. The chance of happening an event when expressed in terms of a number is called probability. Now, if I question what is the probability of getting a head, then this means that what is the likelihood that the coin will land on head? Then the number of ways that the coin will land on head is 1. And the total possible outcomes is 2. So the probability of getting a head is 1 upon 2 or 0.5. Now this gives us the formula of probability, that is number of favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.
Namaskar, my name is Aditya Sharma of Flyers 2D of Subodh Public School, and today I am going to speak on surface area and volume of cylinder and cone. So let's move towards the basic representation of the figure. The cylinder with a height h and a radius r is this. This is of a right circular cylinder, and that of a cone with a height h and a radius r is this. So let's move towards the surface area and volume of cylinder. The total surface area or the TSA of the cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r, and the curved surface area or the CSA is 2 pi r h. The volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So let's move towards the cone. Before going towards the surface area and volume of cone, let's move towards the slant height, which is denoted by L, which is the whole root of h square plus r square. The total surface area of the cone is pi r into L plus r, and the curved surface area is pi r L. The volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h, which is also 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. So the real life figures of cylinder can be batteries or the poles or the candles, and that of a cone can be birthday caps or an ice cream cone. Thank you.
Namaskar, I am Nampin Parasha from Subodh Public School, Rambagh Crossing, Jaipur, and today I am going to tell you the simplest way to find out the curved surface area of a cylinder. So, before we begin, I am going to tell you some examples related to a cylinder. I am having a cylindrical bottle. It is having a lateral surface or a curved surface and two circles which are congruent. Now let's come to our topic to find out the curved surface area of the cylinder. So for this, I will be requiring a rectangular sheet and two congruent circles. Now in this rectangular sheet, I know that its area will be equals to length into its breadth. Now when I am going to fold this rectangular sheet, then I am going to get a cylindrical figure, and now I am going to paste these two circles in it. Now I am going to get a closed figure like this. Now it is a closed cylinder. Now in this closed cylinder, can I say that its curved surface area will be equal to the area of the rectangle? Yes, I can say, because this cylinder is made after the folding of that rectangle only. So in this case, its length will be equals to the circumference of its circle. Therefore, it will be equal to 2 pi r. And then its breadth will be equals to its height. So I can say that its curved surface area will be equals to 2 pi r into h, which will be 2 pi r h. Therefore, the total curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h, where r is its radius and h is its height. Thank you.